First off, definitely a huge congrats to John for being the first Coyote to the 7's in Colorado. I know he's been hunting the number for quite some time up here, and as mentioned in a previous video, he nailed it at sea level some time ago. The pass was done at Pueblo Motorsports Park, and looking at the time slip, there is definitely some room for improvement as he can 60 in the 1.2s, and he also smacked a rev limiter on the big end, so there's definitely more to come for this car.